Kuku mar tend duond bura mar UDA ong'ado gi duol achiel mar golo Rigathi Gachagua e lemo mar jalup ogai mar UDA kendo lemo mare omi jalup jatend piny manyien Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Okang' makamano obiro bang' ka Gachagua nyocha othichi oko e apisi kendo lemo mare okaw gi Kindiki. Kindiki opwoyo gwelo mare e lemo makamano kendo osingo tiyo gi thuolono mar riwo wi jo Kenya.
As I give thanks to the party and to the Almighty God for the privilege to chair, or rather to assist this party in serving as the deputy party leader. The last few weeks have been momentous as we went through the constitutional and judicial processes that have led to the change of guard in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic. And therefore, I must thank you as the party organ that is responsible for steering the day-to-day activities of the party. I must thank you for acting swiftly to make sure that our party does not experience any leadership gaps, so that we move forward the same way the other constitutional process of the transition in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic has already been concluded to ensure that there is seamless service delivery to the people of Kenya and to the members of our party. Thank you very much.